Why is it just because you say cheese? You got a picture.
Cheese! Are we getting ready to do a painting for Aunt Jess's birthday?
Oh, that would be lovely, won't it?
What's that noise?
Daddy's work.
Daddy's doing a little bit of work, yeah. He's trying to get to move on to the thing. Can I put your computer and print something?
Oh yeah, it's in Louise's room on her bed.
Okay. Ah.
More cheese.
There's some more cheese. Come on, let's go sit down and get our stuff ready for painting. Go.
We got new carpenters in.
We got new, yes.
Okay,
Well,
Stamper, thank you. I hear you.
We didn't get new.
Go, painting. Go.
Come on, Lisa. You want to finish new
I
carpet?
don't know if you need to actually stamp quite like that. You know, there's people downstairs, you know, you shouldn't do that. You just stamp it off the helmet.
Okay, here's all the paints.
Nah.
You gotta come and do painting.
Painting.
Come on then. There's the paintbrushes. So Mommy, get your smock. Are we gonna do a picture for Aunt Jess's birthday?
I don't want to watch my
Are we gonna do a picture for Aunt Jess's birthday?
There's a coat.
Yes, so this is for Aunt Jess's birthday.
There's a coat. There's a coat.
It's not really a coat. When it comes to stuff like this, it's more like a smock.
Smock.
Yeah, it's very good.
Sweater.
That's not a sweater either. It's smock. Pretty much gonna stick with smock. Alright. Hey.
Painting.
That's the rock.
I was going to do a little bit of work.
That's fish rock.
Well, you made some progress anyway.
Yeah, well done, Daddy.
You should.
So great. Now, are we gonna? What kind of thing are you gonna paint for Aunt Jess?
A little.
A what? This is yellow. Very good.
Some yellow. Oh, very good.
Jess is gonna love yellow.
Are you going to paint? You're going to paint the sun. Big sun.
For Aunt Jess.
Big sun.
What? Some brown. Okay. Wait, those a little brown. Is it all finished? Almost the paints are all finished. It's true. We're gonna have to get some more paints. Yeah. There's a bit of yellow. Yep, got some yellow, red, green, basics, blue. Okay, so now remember what Aunt Jess likes. Horses. Hold on. Let's scoot you closer. You wanna sit down and legs up. Alright. Are you gonna do a birthday cake? Yeah, but for Aunt Jess. Oh, pretty. Very gentle painting style, Louisa. Keep it on the paper, please. Wait, now, you want to say something to Aunt Jess for her birthday? Is that brown? Huh? What? Do. Did you and Jess do painting? Did you make a pretty picture?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, that's Mommy did go bye-bye when you stayed with Jess. Well, you did do some painting with Anais. Pardon me. Your father will be glad to know we're doing a video.
Okay, let's start with 1, 2, 5, Michael.
We're honey, sweetie pie, we are recording. You know, you can sing opera and everything if you want to, though. Is it because it's her birthday?
Yeah.
That's priming the audience, that.
Totally. If you're talking about my 2-year-old audience.
Haircut.
Haircut? Wow, look at that. Oh, nice.
Well, that's the old paint that we used last time. Right, little mamas. Alright, remember that's going to be the end of our video.
Daddy.
Yes, my angel.
Daddy, I'm making flower.
Making a flower. Fantastic. You.
After.
How's it going?
That's my mama.
What, honey?
More kitty.
You're doing lots of painting, yeah. Here, do you know? Do you think maybe it'd be... You're gonna do more... Oh, let's go like this. Watch. And then we'll turn the paper around. That way that can start to dry. And you know, Sweetie Pie, you ask a lot about the yellow. So very nice.
Nothing.
That's some painting, yeah. Now, do you think that looks like a Christmas tree?
It's Christmas tree. It's Christmas tree.
Is it a Christmas tree? Oh, well, okay. And is there...
My painting.
Huh?
My painting.
Mommy's not going to sit down and do painting. She's going to do the mushrooms.
No. My painting there. My green. My green.
That's another paintbrush, it's true. Here, can I see this one? Oop, sorry.
It's my painting.
You have lots of paint on there. It's thick.
It's my painting.
I'm going to make a big J for Jess. Okay, and a big for... Oh.
I tried.
Okay, good.
Bye.
So, Jessica, 40.
Jessica.
Alright. Can you say, happy birthday, Jess? Huh? Can you say happy birthday, Jess?
Birthday, Jess. Birthday, Jess. Gonna painting.
You're doing a painting. You want to say hi to Robin and Cassie and Norman?
Happy Cathy.
Cassie, and what about Norman? Honey, you go still on the side of the camera. You want to say hi to Norman?
Hello, Norman.
Do you want to say hello to Robin?
I see.
I'll show you in a second. First, you want to say hi to Robin? You make me giggle. Please, can you?
I see.
Honey, yeah. The thing is
I see the photo.
I know, but when I'm finished, I'll show them to you. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday, guys.
And see you later, Robin. See you later, Robin.
See you later, Mama.
Okay. Bye.